Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A political pressure group known as Concerned Sagbama Ekirimo Citizens has called on immediate past governor of Bayelsa State and current senator representing Bayelsa West Senatorial District in the Senate, His Excellency Henry Seriake Dixon, and his followers to respect the zoning principle that allows the Senatorial and House of Representatives seats rotate at intervals between Sagbama and the Ekirimo local government areas. Our correspondent reports that the call was made shortly after some political leaders in Bayelsa West Senatorial District purchased expression of interest and nomination forms to enable Senator Seriake Dixon return to the Red Chamber.
There was a new twist to the zoning controversy in Bayelsa West Senatorial District when recently political leaders and their supporters from Ekirimo and Sagbama local government areas of Bayelsa State paid a solidarity visit to Senator Dixon and presented expression of interest and senatorial nomination forms to him, urging the former governor to join the senatorial race. Reacting to this development, a political pressure group known as Sagbama Ekirimo Concerned Citizens has described it as a deliberate move to jettison a zoning principle that distributes the Senatorial and House of Representatives seats at regular intervals between Ekirimo and Sagbama local government areas. Convener of Concerned Sagbama Ekirimo Citizens, Prince Bodi Arerebo, maintains that it is now the turn of Ekirimo to produce the next occupant of the Bayelsa West Senatorial seat, which Senator Seriake Dixon now occupies.
If we have completed our 8 years in the spirit of fair sharing, unity, love, sincerity, the best thing for us to do is to give it to the other local government, not to cause acrimony. And so those people who are supporting our former governor and our present senator should please, in the spirit of fairness, desist from this act. And let us give this Senate to the Ekirimo people who are due for it.
The Bayelsa West Senatorial seat became vacant when its former occupant, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo from Sagbama, was elected and subsequently sworn into office as Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State. In December 2020, immediate past Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Seriake Dixon, also from Sagbama, won the Bayelsa West Senatorial by-election. Perekemek Bodo, a member of Concerned Sagbama Ekirimo Citizens, disapproves of Senator Dixon's planned return to the Senate.
How can you, as a single human being, you brought out your PA from nowhere and make him a commissioner of works? You never stopped there. The game was he on. You made that man again a senator to hold that seat for you. And when your time is due, you left and the man pull out, you pull him out and make him a deputy governor. Then you now occupy the seat. But he also made a statement that he is coming to complete the tenure of Erujakpo. But today, you are fighting to go back. The truth is that Sagbama Ekirimo, there is a zoning system. And that zoning system stands.
Another member of Concerned Sagbama Ekirimo Citizens, Barrister Michael Emiomokumo, advises the electorate to uphold the time-honored zoning principle in 2023 in the collective interest of Bayelsa West Senatorial District.
The electorate in both Ekirimo and Sagbama knows that it is a zoning system. And so if he feels like contesting, they want to undermine the electorate, on the day of the election, the electorate will determine whom they want to vote for.
This appears to be the chaotic stage of a conflict that will likely escalate in no distant time. Given this scenario, all parties to the zoning controversy in Bayelsa West Senatorial District are expected to find a common ground in anticipation of peaceful polls come 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,